Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back. Hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Hope you got to spend some time with your family. For me, it's cold. I just got home, just got off the boat with my buddy, Joey Vickers. He runs Salty Affair Sportfishing. Does a little bit more of the offshore stuff, but this time we head out to Cape Lookout to the jetty. I got him to help chase some gray trout, speckled trout, just kind of see what else is hanging on the jetty. But anyways, this is the highlights of our video today. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe to that channel on the way out. Tight lines, everyone. I want it to fall over them rocks just right, and a dang monster speck be sitting there. Wait here, I got a feeling that's a blue. No, it might be a good. It is a good. Oh, it's a drum.
Oh, is it a red?
Yeah, it's a red drum.
Red drum? Can we get him? Come on. He's legal.
Is he 17?
Yeah. 12.
Nah, that's more than that, Randy.
Huh?
That's more than 12 or 13. It's 17, right? Isn't that the limit?
I thought it was 18 to 26.
I think it's
27. 18 to 27.
Move that back for me, bro, if you don't mind. Dang, he's 17, dog. He's pretty though. Finally, a drum showed up. He's on it. Oh, he's off it. Oh, he's back on. No, he wrapped himself up. He was 100% wrapped. Oh, oh, a 3-pounder. Come on.
Good gosh, dude.
That's a good one. No, that's a trout.
Is that a speck or a gray?
That look grayish.
Yeah, big gray.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. Please be a speck. Don't be no blue. Don't be no blue. Fighting like a fighting. Definitely a trout. Get that head turned. Oh, these grays are freaking studs. Hey, couple decent waves coming. That's got some. He's a little fat, ain't he?
Uh-huh.
We probably up to about. You all right?
Yeah.
We probably up to about 60. Look, look, look. There. Didn't even have to. Yeah, he's on there. That's a lot of head shake. Look at that rod tip.
That might be a nice speck.
Come on, baby. Look behind it.
Yeah.
You see him behind it? Speck or gray. Well, he was shaking hard though.
sit there and
All
I
right.
feel that first little puff, just wait on it. Boom.
Listen to that thump.
Like that. It must not like this jerk bait. That looks like a trout.
There's got to be some speckled trout mixed in with them.
We keep pulling that sucker right everything. Don't went away with two toes. Well, we started out with these before and then went to Specks, you know.
Yeah.
If I can pull again.
The bait is literally straight out. Oh, there's a lot of head shake, Joey. Please be a speck. Oh, I don't think it is. I seen a flash of gray. No, that's a, is it? No, it's a gray. God, thought I seen.
That is.
Oh. Somebody yesterday, Randy.
Wow.
Speck. Guy is a fatty, ain't it?
That is.
Look at that. Oh, I was gonna say, what was that? That was you.
What was that? What you got?
I was hooked up.
I was kind of trout.
There it is.
Back over there? What's got on? It's black.
Yes, sir. That's a nice one. Come here, speckled trout. I guess they were brothers. 17.
Yep.
Oh, please be. That's pulling like a drum. I think that might be a red. If not, I don't know what it is.
Big trout.
That's a trout. It is a speck. Ugh. That's a gray.
Sure. There's your fourth grade.
Open that cool for me, dog. Man, I just threw a lot of blood in here, man. I didn't mean to do that.
That's right. There's the thing back there. Come here.
That's a good one. Got that one.
That's a big trout.
Yes, it is. Hey, look behind it. Look behind it. Look behind it. Oh, never mind. It left.
Huh? That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. I think we need to slide it in.
Oh, look at this mother. Look at him.
What's that?
I ain't talking about the fish on me. I have to bleep that out. Oh, he's big mad. He's thumping. All right, Randall, that's 19 on the money.
All right, bro.
That's pretty, buddy. Keeping him or letting him roll?
Hey, keep him. Let him take the lead.
Hey, you got room for another speck?
Yeah.
Damn, you should have left it open.
Oh my God.
I'd have thrown it right from the ocean to the cooler. I get it, I get it, I get it. Come on. He tried to kill himself.
Did you get a respect?
Sure did.
Where's the freaking boat, man? I think this is a good. Wow. What's that, bro? Is that one? Big old monster. Big monster, you know what green.
Pretty work.
This feels nice. This ain't head shaking. It's tail wrapped.
Nice.
Everybody use the big eyes.
I got big eyes.
Ooh, he mad. Hey, 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 hey. Come here, baby.
Man.
This is a nice speck.
It's like my third or fourth speck. Randy, buddy, I can't carry all your weight now. Come on now. You know they sitting over in the sand dunes with binoculars watching me. Golly, what's a stud.
Trying to get us closer to the rocks, see if like the specks are maybe closer.
Yeah.
There he is.
Yep, sure is.
Triple hookup. We'll get 4.
First cast with the new bait, I get a nice speck. Now I can't catch another one.
They in here somewhere.
Gotta find it.
They in here.
It's got a weed through really nice big fish.
Oh man,
No, you're good, you're good.
God, eat that sucker again like it was going out of style. Oh my God. Woo!
My arms are so tired I can't distinguish a 14 from a 20-inch fish. This is stupid.
Wait, bro. I'm right behind
No, you're good. I've been throwing over the top.
you. To the left. We're gonna get a triple hookup right here. 1. I'm on. You on?
Yeah, I'm on.
I'm on. Come on. 3 hookup. Look. Quadruple, baby. Look at it, 4 rides on.
Mine's out. This way.
Somebody's over me. I'm trying to keep it down. Shoot. Oh, yes.
There's just stuff like that.
That's a old slob.
Is that a quad?
It was a quad.
That was a quad, dude. That was a quad. Oh, there he is. Oh!
There it is. Oh, I'm about to rip his off.
Oh, yeah, there he is. Oh, good gosh. Oh, it's a big one. Come on, baby. That's a nice one, dude. Yeah, that's nice.
Again, we can only keep one. I don't understand it. How many have we caught? At least 100 and something between the 4 of us.
You got a speck?
Oh, great.
Hit the sun just right, though.
There's been a couple times when they've cut the water, I thought they had dark spots on them.
He had.
He's got it. Look at that. Look.
Don't get me wrong, I don't mind catching small ones.
Look, he's back on it again. Look.
There's so many of them, man. How many triple hookups we got right here? I guess I need to get on with it. Yeah.
Oh, get out of the trolling motor.
Is he in it?
I wasn't laughing at you.
I think he done had enough. He's coming around.
Here they come. Here they come. He got one on. The landman.
Yep.
He got one on. There it is.
I mean, there's got to be specks mixed in with them.
Just the one more faster. God. I mean, you're over there not paying attention, like what he's got.
Yeah. Oh, good grays, man. Where's the Department of Marine Fisheries to look at it? Dang, that's even better.
That's nice, dude.
God,
What he got? What's he got out there?
This one is big.
Hold on, land. Flounder. That's a fat boy.
Come on, bro.
See him doing it, figure well, he can do it too. That'll work. Here comes the guy. Do we need to slide over or are we okay?
I mean, we're catching fish. I just don't know where the specks are.
Oh,
golly, son.
The damn thing. I mean, I'm talking about where this guy's coming in. This is why I love this spot right here where you come through. The bait comes in and out, back and forth right here.
I'm going to try to push this just a little closer to the rock.
That's fine. You got time to do it?
Yeah.
Good God. Give him.
Whoops. He went back down with a concussion. mean, they're probably pushing 20 inches at least. I mean, I've probably caught 60 just here by myself. Not
Bring
even.
us up just a couple, bro. You get us with you.
Huh?
What you doing? Bring us up.
That's what I'm doing.
That's what I'm just asking.
I'm just curious, what's the depth or fish finder look like?
We're 8 foot.
Is there anything under it?
No.
So weird. Because you know they're here.
Good. Just have that little feeling.
Okay, black-eyed Pete.
That they're closer to these rocks.
Well, it's all about that bait, man.
That's a sign.
It's great, man.
You think he was? He's all right. I mean,
For as hard as he hit.
as hard as he hit, right? I don't think they like my eyes. Big like that, man.
Golly.
You know where?
Probably where Adam was fishing.
They must not like my colors. I don't know.
I'm running a 3/8 jig head, Randy.
I'm pretty heavy. I am pretty heavy. That's nice.
God, these grays are daggone just studs. I wish these were Specks, man.
Yeah, he gets some respect.
Sure is. All right, so as far as what I used today on the water, this is gonna be the Carbon Shield. That's gonna be a 7-foot medium fast. It's gonna have a Daiwa BG 3000 on it, 15-pound braid. It's got 20-pound Fluro leader that's made by SeaGar. Jig head was anywhere from a 1/4 ounce to 3/8 ounce. We used paddle tail, slick juniors. It really didn't seem to matter. They were so thick, whatever you threw out there is what they were chewing on. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned a little something. Get out on the water, go rip some lips, and tight line job.
I spent my